back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a Lush haul. So I got some products from Lush and I got a massive box. I actually have pulled everything out of the box so I could have a look at them all, but it's massive. So I do use Lush products. I normally use their bath bombs all the time, but I ventured out this time and brought a few different things to see if I like them, because obviously I don't want to be having a bath every night, so if I could find something that I can use in the shower, I think that would be amazing. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I picked up from Lush. If you want me to do a review on any of these products, please leave a note in the comments down below and I'll make sure to review it as soon as possible. Okay, so first up, I picked up 2 bubble bars. So the first bubble bar I picked up is this one here. It is blue and white. It is called Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds. So it's noted as being ambient bathing. So basically with the bubble bars, you crumble as much of a bar as you like under warm running water to create a mountain of luxurious film star bubbles. For reusable bubble bars, simply whisk in your bath water or hold under the tap to whip up a blissful bubble bath. So that's this one. The second bubble bar I grabbed is called Sleepy. I absolutely love this one. I think it's super duper cute. I love the colours and the shape. So this one is noted as being soft malted lavender, so it smells like lavender quite strong. So you'll notice a theme in most of my products. A lot of them are nighttime ones, because normally that's when I would use them, is when I'm struggling to get to sleep or I want to relax and really calm down. So I tend to use a lot of lavender for that. So the next 2 products are bath bombs. So basically just your standard bath bombs, you drop them into your bath and they'll fizz away, releasing its colour and essential oils. And then you just lay back and relax and enjoy your bath. So first one I got is Twilight. So this one is good to help you sleep. It's lavender. I have used this one quite a few times. It's one of the ones that I do regularly buy, and I absolutely love it. The next one I got is called the Experimenter. Now this one is very crumbly, so I have to be super careful. So it's basically multicolours. It does have a bit of glitter in it as well. Just pop it back in here. So I haven't used that one before, but I thought it looked cool with all its colours and everything. And yeah, so I thought I'd grab that one to trial out as well. Okay, so next up I grabbed 2 luxury bath oils. So my first one is called Dreamtime. So basically you put them in the bath and you watch them melt and your water turns into like essential oils pretty much. So that one is Dreamtime to help you sleep. It's again lavender. The second one I picked up is called Melting Marshmallow Moment, and it's melting with 3 M's. So that is this one here, and oh my goodness, it smells like fairy floss. It is amazing. So I'm very excited to play with that one because it smells so good, like almost smells like edible. I did get a sample in my box of goodies. I got a Lush Goddess soap piece. So it just looks like this. It's got glitter on top and it's purple. So I haven't used any of their soap bars before, so I'm interested in trying that out as well. So my next product was a body scrub. So I picked up this Mamma Mia body scrub, and it basically is pink Himalayan salt, rose clay and vanilla. So it's to polish and perfume your skin. So I really like the scent. It's very like dilute. It's not like fully strong, which is really good because then it's not overpowering. But it basically, I don't want to spill any of this. It moves around in there really easy. So it just, yeah, looks like that. and it smells really nice. I really do like it, and I don't think it's too overpowering. Okay, so my last 3 products are all shower jellies. So the first one that I picked up is Whoosh. Now, I haven't tried any of the shower jellies before, and I have been quite nervous about buying shower jellies because they are $10, and I don't want to have a $10 shower. So I have found somebody who knew how to trick the system and make these last longer. So basically what they did was they popped it in the freezer and let it be frozen for about, I think it was about an hour or something. Then they cut it up into like cubes and then popped them back in the container and popped it in their shower. And then they just grabbed a cube out rather than the whole thing, because once you add water to this, it's gonna start like foaming up and everything. So it's quite easy to use it all in one shower, especially when it's wibbly wobbly. It's exactly like jelly, so it does go everywhere. So I will be placing mine in the freezer and cutting them up so that I get multiple showers out of it. So this is what this one looks like, and it really is like jelly. It's wibbly wobbly. So this one smells like citrus. So I think it's got like lemon or orange or something in it. Grapefruit, lemon, lime, rosemary. There you go. The next one I got is Conga. So this is a pink one, and this one to me smells like berries. Yeah, like raspberries or something. So again, it's the jelly and it's wibbly wobbly. And my lucky last one is Twilight. So this one's to help you sleep. So it smells like lavender again. Smells really good. And again, it's wibbly wobbly, but I really like this one. I like how it's got like the metallic-y look on it. So it's pretty cool. So that is my shopping spree from Lush. So let me know down in the comments if you want me to review all the products, if there's something specific you want me to review, and I'll make sure to do that in the next few weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.